Okay, I'm filming and my cat. So today we're gonna look at some of my locomotives that I have here. My CSX yard. It's not my layout. It's kind of a staging yard that I have here in HO scale, which is half O. See, I have actually a car repair shop. It's illuminated, means it's lit up with LEDs. Some of my locomotives here prefer the Atlas. They're pretty quiet. I don't have any of my the ones with sound right now on my layout, or on my in the yard here. There's some Atherns. There's one here. I moved the horn to the back. It's a renumbered special edition Athern SE. That's special edition. X family lines, Seaboard Coast, Louisville and Nashville. 2621, which you can see it's a fair amount of weathering on it. Whoops. There it is. And then I renumbered the same unit from a couple sets. 2618 and there 2654. And then we have Seaboard Coastline with the yellow nose, 2505 and 2524. Now, over here by the fueling racks, there's a whole bunch of SD40s. Also, is a SOO line and a First Union lease unit. That's the FERX unit there. The former family lines renumbered per prototype. That means the original actual locomotive, number 8114, before it was painted or repainted as a CSX unit. Some SD40s. And most of these are -2. It's electrical cabinet changes, fuel efficiency. Do see an SD50 here in the current scheme, the Yellow Nose 3 or Dark Future. And an SD60. Former Louisville and Nashville unit. Former Conrail Q quality unit. The only one that was painted by CSX with a yellow nose on it. I put an appropriate horn and antenna. There's a Guilford unit here. Was actually a U33. That was a Conrail unit. Went to Delaware and Hudson. Briefly painted into a Guilford unit. Just Guilford markings. Some of my Atlas -8s. And a CSX Police here. Another -8 without the white hat on it. The white painted roof. It's a maintenance of way. They maintain the tracks. Some -8s without the wide cab. At my old grain elevator. Most of these are powered units. Some of my other stuff here. Locomotives. I do have some more I'll do at a later date with Guilford and Providence and Worcester. Okay.